If you're a content creator with an audience also interested in creating high quality online content, so that could be podcasters, YouTube creators, bloggers, influencers, or coaches, then you have the potential to be earning passive income from your content. Hi, I'm Bridget from Riverside, and I'm going to show you how you can make money online through Riverside's affiliate program. First off, what is an affiliate program? An affiliate program is a marketing strategy where a business pays a commission to external individuals for generating sales, leads, or traffic for the business's products or services. Around 80% of businesses have an affiliate program. If you don't already know, Riverside.fm is a popular platform for podcasting, broadcasting, and recording high-quality media. It's trusted by professionals all around the world, including Guy Raz, Tim Ferriss, and Gary Vee. Riverside has created an affiliate program to help creators like you earn money from Riverside referrals. You will earn 20% commission from every person who signs up with your unique link. So let's dive into how this works. First off, anyone can join the Riverside affiliate program. All you have to do is sign up and fill out a form to get started. As mentioned earlier, creators with a niche of other creators will have the best luck with the Riverside affiliate program, simply because this is the audience most likely to sign up for Riverside. After you've signed up, you'll receive a unique referral link. This link is specifically tied to your account, so Riverside can track who signs up through your referrals. Now that you have your unique link, it's time to share it with your audience. You can create content about Riverside like reviews, tutorials, or podcast episodes and include your affiliate link in your content. If you use Riverside to record your content, you can give a testimonial about the high-quality content that you are creating. The goal is to drive traffic to Riverside through your link. The more engaging and valuable your content is, the more likely your audience will want to check out Riverside. And here's the best part. You will earn a recurring 20% commission on sales generated by your referrals. So the more people you refer who sign up and stay with Riverside, the more money you will make. And this isn't just a one-time payment. You'll earn this commission for as long as your referred users stay active on Riverside. Riverside will pay you directly through PayPal. It's important to note that Riverside uses a 60-day attribution window, meaning when someone clicks on your link and then signs up within 60 days, you'll be credited for that referral. Plus, there's no cap on payouts, so the earning potential here is vast. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to earn money online with Riverside's affiliate program. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel before you go for more content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your affiliate marketing journey with Riverside. Bye for now.